Is your homeschool student looking to get a head start on college while staying grounded in their faith? Through Luther Rice College and Seminary's dual enrollment program, homeschool students can take college courses while earning both high school and college credit. At Luther Rice College and Seminary, you'll receive more than mere academic credit. You'll gain a biblical foundation that prepares you to stand firm in your faith and make an impact for Christ in whatever path you pursue. Whether you're called to ministry or to the marketplace, dual enrollment at Luther Rice equips you to grow in knowledge and truth. Apply for state aid today and begin building your future on the unshakable foundation of God's Word. Apply to Luther Rice's dual enrollment program and submit your high school and previously completed college transcripts. Then apply for state funding through Georgia Futures. Now, there are 6 steps for applying for state funding. First, as a homeschool parent, create a Georgia Futures account for your Georgia Home Study program. Step 2, create a Georgia Futures student account at georgiafutures.org if you've not already done so. Step 3, complete the dual enrollment funding application at georgiafutures.org. Step 4, complete and electronically sign the student participation agreement at georgiafutures.org. And Step 5, complete and electronically sign the parent participation agreement at georgiafutures.org. Now, as the homeschool parent, you act as the high school counselor. So your last step is to select the courses that the student needs within georgiafutures.org. In order to register for courses at Luther Rice, simply contact our academic advising office at aao@lutherrice.edu and we'll take care of the rest. Thank you for choosing Luther Rice College and Seminary as your trusted partner in your students' educational journey. We are honored to walk alongside your family in laying a biblical foundation that not only equips students academically, but also strengthens their faith for impact in both ministry and the marketplace. Your investment in a Christ-centered education today is shaping tomorrow's leaders for God's glory.